Hey, I'm in a 2009 Honda Pilot, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we're going to go down, and there's a lever here with a little tension. That pop was the safety being released. If there's no tension at all, you want to check, make sure. You can kind of see it. There's a cable right there that should be under some tension and connected. If not, you need to address that. But we'll go up to the front now. At which point we'll see the hood is popped a little bit. So it should have some looseness to it now. Most vehicles have a lever right in the middle here you can pull. This one is right here, so you can push and lift. So pushed and lifted. There's the hook it was hooked onto. And then this is what that mechanism looks like right here. If you're having issues, you might have some debris stuck in there that needs cleaned out. Maybe a little WD-40 to loosen it. And then sometimes if the hood's out of alignment, you can readjust them straight and that'll help. And then worst case, sometimes these components need replaced. They're fairly inexpensive. But I hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.